In the heart of a bustling digital age, one may wonder, how has the rise of digital marketing reshaped the landscape of business? This question, while seemingly straightforward, opens the door to a vast array of answers, each more intriguing than the last. Consider a small clothing boutique located in the bustling city of Dhaka, Bangladesh. Once a modest shop known only to the locals, it has now become a booming business, attracting customers from across the world. You may wonder how? The secret lies in the power of digital marketing. This boutique, let's name it Fashion Threads, faced stiff competition from larger, more established clothing stores. The owners realized they needed a way to distinguish themselves to reach a larger market. Thus, they turned to digital marketing. With a sleekly designed website and a robust social media presence, Fashion Threads started to attract customers far beyond its local vicinity. They employed search engine optimization to make their business more visible and email marketing to keep their customers involved. They engaged in content marketing, sharing enticing photographs of their latest collections and the inspiration behind their unique designs. But it didn't end there. Fashion Threads started to delve into data analytics, providing them insights into their customers' behavior and preferences. This allowed them to customize their marketing strategy further, ensuring their promotions reached the intended audience with the perfect message. Outcome: a significant increase in sales, an expanded customer base, and a more robust brand. Now, what does this tell us about the impact of digital marketing in business? It shows that digital marketing has leveled the playing field, allowing small businesses to compete with much larger ones. It demonstrates that with the right strategy, businesses can reach a global audience, expanding their customer base and boosting their sales. Moreover, it reveals that digital marketing provides businesses with invaluable insights into their customers' behavior and preferences, enabling them to tailor their marketing strategies for maximum impact. So in the grand scheme of things, digital marketing has revolutionized the business world. It's allowed businesses to extend their reach, to connect with their customers on a deeper level, and to thrive in a fiercely competitive market. In essence, digital marketing isn't just about selling a product or a service. It's about telling a story, about building a connection with customers, about making a mark in the digital world. And as the story of Sweet Treats shows, it's a powerful tool that can transform a small business into a thriving global enterprise. To sum it up, digital marketing has become an integral part of business success. It's reshaped the way businesses reach and engage with their customers, and it's opened up a world of opportunities for businesses of all sizes. So, the next time you're savoring a delicious treat from a small bakery half a world away, remember, it's the power of digital marketing that made it possible.